Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Very good. My name is Lily. What's your name?
My name is Ramzan.
Ramzan. Nice to meet you. Where do you live?
Nice to meet you too. I am from northern part of India.
Okay, great. And
Yeah. Can
are
you can
you
you please can you please close this lesson? I am not sure why it is
sure? Yeah,
selecting
sometimes
properly.
that happens. Yeah. Okay, so Ramzan, what would you like to do in this lesson today? It's only short,
Basically,
but yeah.
yes, actually I am not confident with speaking with girl. So this is my
Ah,
first time that I am talking with a girl,
okay.
and we have that type of culture in which we are not allowed to talk with girl offline. So I never met with any girl, by the way.
Ah, okay, right.
So that's why my mindset is too fearful, and I have a lot of things which I need to remove because I have a lot of clients. I have a lot of other people who are obviously female, so
Sure.
I have to confidently speak with them.
Yep.
So that's why I'm working on my confidence level,
Ah,
specifically with girls.
good. Okay, that's good. So you mentioned about work. So who are your customers and what do you do?
I am a software engineer, so working on websites and mobile apps. So I have clients who are having these type of projects. I mean, they are hiring me as a developer.
Uh-huh.
So yes, I worked from scratch. I mean, developed the website from scratch and even also troubleshoot.
Uh-huh. Any
Yes.
particular types of websites or types of customers, for example, more like business or hospitality or what kind of website?
Any according to the
Any.
need of the client.
Ah, okay. Is there any that you prefer to work on? Any type, any subjects that you like working on?
You are talking about the conversation.
The websites.
Yes, I work according to the need of the client.
Yeah. So
So
do you have like a favorite style that you use that you really enjoy, or you just you don't mind any kind of style of website?
actually, I am a developer and also a designer.
Mm.
So when some clients has requirement, then whatever they are interested in, so I do the exactly the same thing.
Yeah,
And
right.
if there is any type of issue or maybe something which the suggestion is not good, then at that moment I suggest them that this is better than that.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
How long have you been doing that?
I am from last 3 years. I am working on this.
Ah, yeah, for the last 3 years. Right.
Yes.
Um, have you? Who has been your favorite client to work with?
My favorite client is from Europe, Netherlands.
Yeah. And
So yeah, I
why
am
were they your
working.
favorite?
Yes, working with him from last 1.5 year.
Hmm.
Yes,
Why do you say he's your favorite client?
he is my favorite client because he trusts me more than anyone else.
Ah,
That's why.
good. Yeah, that's great. So
Yes,
he believes in your ability.
yes, believes, and even I am also supporting him anytime. I mean, whenever he is sending me any message, then I give the priority to him.
Ah, all right. So whenever he sends me a message.
Yes,
All right. That should be whenever.
yes.
Okay, and who has been your most difficult client?
My difficult clients are like uh, those who are giving me a specific task to finish, and when I try to finish, then they are just injecting some more tasks into that.
Mm-hmm.
Then at that moment, I would have to complete that within that amount which they are paying for the earlier task. So
Ah,
somehow I try to manage. Why? Because I don't want to break the relationship with them.
sure. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah, I think that's a common issue that happens. They
Yes,
try to get more value for their money, try to,
yes.
yeah. Um, and what kind of things do you think are important when you're developing and maintaining relationships with your clients?
Actually, the best thing is like I mean, uh, immediate reply to them
Mhm.
because we are offline. I mean, we are away from them. I'm working remotely,
Yeah.
so obviously, if they have any specific issue, so I must have to hear them immediately.
Mm.
Yes,
Mm.
this is the important thing to maintain the relationships. And other than that, I also have to be transparent with them.
Mm.
Whatever is the problem and whatever is the issues inside of the website. So these are the things which I
Mm.
like to share with them. Yes.
Yeah, good. And how do you find your clients? How do you look for work?
Actually, I was working in a company earlier for last 2 years.
Hmm.
For 2 years when I started my career. So over there, I got the confidence that how to handle the websites. I learned the technologies. Then after I made some videos on YouTube.
Mm.
So those videos were related to problem solving,
Yeah.
like coding issues, website issues. So in that way, there were few people who were watching my videos and they thought that I am a technical guy, I can help them. So they tried to connect with me on WhatsApp because I added the details, email, WhatsApp in my video description. So because of which they gave me small tasks to check my ability,
Yeah.
and then I completed that task properly. So because of which they got connected, and somehow we continued the other tasks, and gradually we move ahead, and then become my permanent client.
Oh, excellent. So, most of your clients have been long term, like they continue to work with you on
Yes,
multiple
yes,
projects.
about three of clients are long term, and there are a few others who come. Not usual, but in a month, 4 or 5 more times they give me the tasks.
Wow, that's great. And do your regular clients ever refer you to their friends or to their other
Yes,
colleagues?
yes, they are also referring
Ah,
me.
fantastic. That's wonderful. Are you still making videos?
Uh, Nowadays, I am working on programming. There is a specific language,
Mhm.
so I am only uploading some shorts on writing a program for a specific problem. So not making long videos
Mhm.
because I have already uploaded 400 plus videos.
Oh my gosh.
So nowadays, I am also working on my other projects, so not getting much time.
Yeah. Oh, but it's not as necessary for you now because you have so many clients.
Y- Yes.
Ah, do you still get clients through those videos or do you just get them from referrals now or?
Yes, yes, I get some clients, but if they have the bigger tasks, so I don't take those tasks. If there are some quick tasks to complete, like within an hour, within 2 hours, I can complete those tasks. So then I get, otherwise, I serve the other clients.
Mhm. Oh, good. Sounds like a good system you have.
Yes.
Yeah.
And what's your profession?
Teacher. Yeah, English
And
teacher.
other than that, you are also working offline?
No, at the moment I'm not. No, just
Okay.
doing this.
And
Yeah.
earlier you was?
A few years ago, I'm living in Indonesia now. So when
Mhm.
I lived in Australia, I was doing some other things. Yeah, I wasn't working online.
Okay.
And I don't think we really have much time to talk about that anyway. Do you have
Yes.
anything to just before the end? Anything you want to say?
Yes, I will say that if you have needed any website or you have any website issue, then feel free to ask me
Ah,
the question.
thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Yes.
And
Thank you so
yeah, you
much
did
once
a really
again.
great job. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
well
Thank
done.
you and nice to meet you too.
Yeah,
So
keep
see
practicing.
you. Yes, sure.
See you next time.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.